Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn more about weights. And now please turn to your book, page 48. Okay, when we measure the weights of objects, we may use a beam balance. Okay, beam balance. And the beam balance, that means the tool we are using here. And why we need to use some marbles? Because this time when we compare these two objects, maybe they got the difference between their weights so close. So we will use other objects to help us to compare their weights. Okay? And now the object we use is some marbles. So can you help me count how many marbles are there? When we put these marbles, the weight of these marbles they are equal. Can you see? Their position are the same. So we can know the weight of a banana by the number of the marbles. So can you tell me a banana weighs about how many marbles? Yes, it will be 13 marbles. How about pear? Okay, pear. So yes, they are the same. So now you just need to count the number of marbles so that you know the weight of pear. It will be 18 marbles. 18 marbles, right? And let's compare their weights by the number of marbles. So now you know that the weight of banana is about 13 marbles and the weight of pears is about 18 marbles. So can you tell me banana is lighter or heavier than pear? It will be lighter. Yes. It is because 13 smaller than 18, right? So this is a simple question about comparison. And now please take out your SCL. Turn to page 12. Let us write some keywords. Okay, keywords. So when we measure some weights, we will use some keywords. For example, light. The opposite of light will be heavy. So write it down. So in comparison, when we say orange is lighter than watermelon, we will use some words to compare. That means lighter than versus. So heavier than. And sometimes we may also use the lightest and the heaviest. So of course you know that with EST, that means that one is in comparison, that one got the lightest. For example, when I say when we compare between strawberry, orange, and watermelon, and strawberry is the lightest. In the opposite, the heaviest will be a watermelon, and so on. So, lightest and heaviest. Okay, as I said before, sometimes we may use objects to compare. For example, now we using some marbles, right, to compare the weight of a fork and a spoon. So can you tell me, a fork weighs about 6 marbles. How about the spoon? 7. And now can you tell me that fork is lighter or heavier than spoon? Yes, same, lighter. Circle lighter. And next, question 2. Question 2. Peter, now this time he used $2 coins to measure the weights of eraser, pencil, and scissors. Below is the result of his measurement. That means he shows the result of a measurement. This is also, we can call it a balance. And when you look at the pictures, I suggest you to write down the number of $2 coins at the bottom. For example, for the eraser one, that means he got 4 $2 coins. That means the weight of the eraser is about 4 $2 coins. Pencil, 3. Scissors, 5. And so the question asks you that the heaviest stationery, the heaviest, that means the one got the most number of $2 coin. Which one? Yes, a pair of scissors. How about lightest? Lightest. The one got the least number will be pencil. Right. And question C, section C, is a bit challenging, or a task that you need to think more so that you can get the correct answer. Arrange the following objects from the lightest to the heaviest. Lightest to heaviest. That means the one with the least number of coins to the one with the most number of coins. Write 1 to 4 in the boxes. So this is important. The words inside the bracket. 1 represents the heaviest and 4 represent the lightest. Okay? So 1 will be the heaviest. Which one is heaviest? Heaviest is a pair of scissors, right? How about the second one? Will be the object with 4 $2 coins. That means to the second heaviest. How about the third one? Will be pencil with 3 $2 coins. And the last one, 4, is the lightest. That means the one with the least number of coins or itself. Okay? So let me write it down. For example, 1 here represents the number of $2 coin needed. 5, 3, and 4. So according to the number, we arrange them from the heaviest to the lightest. So heaviest to lightest. So every time when we do the questions, remember to read the words inside the bracket so that it will help you to do the questions correctly. And that's the end for today's lesson. I want you to finish the exercise of chapter 20, which is about the measuring weight. Understand? And for 48 and 49, there's a class study for you, but because of current situation, we can't do it in pairs. If you have time, you can do it at home with marbles and $5 coins. Okay? See you.